What's going on? Hey man, we finna get on the DCT Gold Wing. Me and the wifey finna get on the hook. We just run a store area, that's all we finna do. Yeah, her first ride on the back. I got the backrest. We're gonna check the backrest out, see how things are on the bike. Yeah, so yeah man, my yard looking good. Yep. So we gonna get on here, man.
From the heart of Texas where the wide roads run, Kelly B gliding, rides into the sun on a road glide Kong, 140 strong, tearing up the blacktop, humming like a song. He's got that grace, he's got that style, burning rubber, racking miles, with a thunder in his engine and a spark in his eye. He's a legend on wheels, no need to try. Kelly B gliding, wind in his face, chasing the horizon, leaving no trace. Twisted Sisters, what a ride.
We're gonna fire this baby up and get on the road. We're just making, like I said, a quick Walmart run. There we go. Cycle up. Press of a button, Doc. Yes, sir. Go ahead and get on, baby. And one good thing, I can still use my backrest on here with her on here. So yeah. Yeah. My handlebar should be in today, y'all. My bar should be in today. So let me turn the radio off. But yeah, we finna get ready and take a little ride on hook, y'all. Ooh, sound like a yeah, I'm trying to put it in the clutch, y'all. I thought I gotta get used to that. We just gotta put it in drive. Got the wifey on back, baby. Yeah. Let me let the thing up so we won't get hardly no wind. Cut the wind down a little bit. Yeah. It's gonna be some awesome riding. There goes somebody's bikes right there. Yeah, I know there's a lot of people are cooking for Mother's Day, so we doing a little Mother's Day ride. I'm pretty sure she feel a lot comfortable with the backrest on the back. I know I'm enjoying it. I like when she get on here. She don't realize it that I do, but I'm glad that she feel like she's comfortable on the back right now. Ooh, it's a little chilly today, y'all. Supposed to have been 75 degrees, but they said this morning 75, but feel like 55, 57. Yeah, I got a nice little breeze going today. But yeah, man, we just put, if you didn't catch my videos, well, I just put the new backrest on for my wife back here so that she would be comfortable on this bike as well. Make sure you go check those videos out. And check out my test ride when I did my test ride on my gold wing. Then go check out when I actually purchased my gold ring. I had a great experience at Al Lamb's Dallas Honda in Dallas, Texas, y'all. Yeah, man, great people up there. Mr. Al, Cody, Roberto, Tyler. Oh yeah, man, just a great experience up there purchasing my bike, y'all. I mean, no issues, y'all. I was in that place and out of that place within probably 45 minutes, if you want to be honest. Head and eyes, baby. Got a nice breeze blowing, man. My wife holds me around the stomach like she got to hold me, man. She don't realize she got a backrest now. She can just lean back and relax. Woo, let's go, baby. Let's go. Honda Gold Weed, baby. Man, my handlebars should be in here today sometime, y'all. Should be in here sometime today, my bars. So, like I said, I got the Healy bars that should be here today. I'm waiting. Man, this is just a smooth ride. I adjusted my suspension. I want to thank my dude Slappy Dog for showing me where you adjust that suspension at, man. So I adjusted that, and especially with me and my wife on here, so I got that just right, man. I got that right. Oh my God, I can't wait till I get my windshield on here. That's all the other stuff that I need to get. I gotta get my belly pan on here. I still haven't got that. So yeah, just a few things that I need to get. She wanted to come way up here to this Walmart, and we got a Walmart right by our house. She's talking about, no, we gotta take a little ride. So hey, here we are, ride, baby. Woo! Let's go, Honda. Yes, sir. This bike is just a smooth ride, y'all. I mean, smooth. Make sure you get your suspension adjusted. I needed mine adjusted. I turned it probably maybe 3-4 clicks. And if you had checked out Slappy Adventures videos, go on there, man. He show you how to let that up. I should have showed you how. It's just a little knob on your right hand side. You got to pull the panel off, and you see a little silver black knob back up under there, and you adjust it that way. Man, I gotta get my floorboards and highway pads, y'all, so I can be ready for the road, baby. I think she enjoying this. She seems like she's real comfortable. She ain't doing a lot of moving like she when she's on Khrome. Yeah, man. We riding that wind. It's a strong wind. I think we're supposed to get some rain here tomorrow. So it's blowing something in here. But yeah. Man, I love the way this bike breaks down, y'all. Just the gears just downshifting on their own, man. That's whoo. I know a lot of people talking about you on the scooter, man. I bet some of you 117s and 121s will want to pull up on this scooter. Cause this thing, when they say scooter, yeah, this boy scoot. This boy will scoot, for real. If you didn't catch my videos where I was hitting this boy when I was leaving the dealership, after I got the exhaust put on here, I'm gonna tell you that exhaust changed the ride for me because I can hear a little noise when I need it, you know what I'm saying? It changed the ride for me big time, and I love it. I mean, this boy just sailing over these bumps. I know she's loving that. Oh my God, just sailing over the bumps. Like I said, if you hadn't test rode the Gold Wing, you're missing out. Just go test ride one, y'all. Tell me what you think, man. Man, it's all about just being on two wheels, you know what I'm saying? Just being on two wheels, that's all. That's all it's about, being on twos. And that's what we doing, you know. Like I said, I don't care what you ride. Just be on twos, man. So we going up to the Walmart here, right off of 380 and 75 here in McKinney. And you know, I'm finna cook dinner. Yeah, I cook dinner, y'all. I like to cook, man. I ain't this big for nothing. I like to cook. Yeah, we're gonna park right up here, y'all. We're gonna park right in the door. Yeah. Neutral. Ooh, this boy sound mean. The hook sound mean, baby. So I want to ask you a question. Let your guard up. I mean your shield, windshield. Right here. So what you feel, is it different from Khrome? How is the ride? Is it different?
Yeah, not so loud.
Not so loud. You gotta talk louder so they can hear you.
This seat is extra comfortable.
She said the seat is extra comfortable.
It's really smooth.
The bike's smooth.
But you can feel the power.
But you can. She said you can feel the power. Yeah.
This is really great. It's
Yeah.
just different. Khrome is great too.
Right.
But this is just different.
She just said that Khrome is great too, but this is just a different ride, y'all. It's definitely a different ride. It's real smooth. So y'all, we're gonna get off the bikes and we're gonna get in the store. All right, peace. Right over here. Man, this bike is so flickable, like Robert Simmons said, it's so flickable. Yeah, man. There we go. How you doing? I think my wife would get more comfortable. I told her that she don't have to lean forward like that. And she's leaning back. It's a big help for me. Man, I just gotta say, the brake system on this bike is really good. I mean, the brake system is awesome on here. You almost can come to a complete stop on this thing when you hit the brakes on here. This thing is, I mean, I don't know, you know, you take all your modifications from a Honda car and put it on the bike, man. Y'all, the brake system is nice. I ain't got to go try to get no more brakes or nothing like that at all. Get no more suspension, try to dial all that in and spend all that money. That's one thing about this bike. You ain't finna spend a lot of money on it unless you just want to go crazy on lights and stuff like that. It ain't a lot that you need to do to it. You ain't got to go in the motor at all because it's got enough power. Got enough. And when I say you can feel the power when you hit it, you can feel it. But that wind is blowing strong, and this bike is just fighting through that wind. I like that. It's just cutting right through the wind. I mean, strong. I mean, this is nice. People be sleeping on the gold wing, baby. It ain't nothing to sleep on. Man, I'm telling you, just go try out the new body styles. I know a lot of people look at the older body styles. See, my homeboy, he said the same thing. He said, man, I always, when I think of gold wing, I think of the old body styles. But when he saw mine, he thought different about it. He's like, man, that joker clean. Hey, man, it is what it is, man. I love this bike, y'all. This bike is so smooth. Woo! Man, I can imagine taking this on a road trip. I can't wait to take this boy on a sweet road trip, y'all. Man, if it's gonna ride this smooth 2-up with me by myself on the road, oh my gosh, this is just gonna be phenomenal. Do you hear me? It's gonna be a phenomenal easy ride. I mean, the seat, the Saddlemen seat, oh man, I can't wait to get my carbon fiber parts on here, my windshield. Oh man, y'all just don't know. I'm hyped about the bike, y'all. I'm hyped about it. Man, I've been missing out, man. I've been missing out. A lot of us been missing out. This bike handles well. Really well. I mean, look how it's just going over them bumps. Oh my gosh. See, when we went on the back road back there one time on Khrome, she talking about, baby, your suspension, they turned me up. But she ain't said nothing about this thing here. She just talking about how smooth it is and how you can feel the power in this bike. Man, that boy just, hey man, it's lovely when you just gotta ease on your front brake and your rear brake a little bit. And yeah, it's nice. Y'all, there go Khrome right there, y'all. If y'all been missing Khrome, there he is right there. He on that battery tender right there. He ain't gone, y'all. He ain't gone. But we are home. We are home. Look at that windshield go down. I'm loving that. So you good? Sweet ride? Sweet ride, y'all. Hey, y'all, we're gonna get out of here, y'all. We're finna go cook. I'm finna go get on this stove in here. You know, it's Mother's Day, so we're gonna let her rest and kick her feet up a little bit, but we finna go cook in here, man. So y'all, till the next time, the next grind. Y'all see the bikes. We got more coming on Khrome right here. Y'all see him over here looking good as he want to look. But y'all, we out of here. Y'all have a blessed one. Peace and happy Mother's Day.
Jelly, 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 jelly. Kelly B's rolling. Hear that engine cry. Riding like the stars are falling from the sky.